Welcome back everybody to the Bear Cave Bicycle channel. So today I'm going to be removing this old foam that's been on this bicycle forever. I've just never replaced it because I actually find the foam really comfortable, but obviously it's showing a lot of signs of wear in different spots. Also in my next video I'm going to be replacing these hoods. I got ones that look similar, and obviously there's a lot of brake play. It's pretty frayed down at the brake line, so I'm going to replace that rear brake line in a future video. But anyways, I'm just going to get this all cleaned up and then we can go from there. Okay, so I got my bar tape here. So a couple things to note: when we're wrapping around here, we want to be wrapping this way for down here, because a lot of times when you're riding you tend to pull out, so that'll tighten the tape instead of loosening the tape if you tend to ride that way. And then as we get up to here, we're gonna come up and turn so that we're bringing it this way again. Same thing, when you tend to ride, you tend to do this, if anything, and that'll help tighten the tape instead of loosen the tape. If you start it up here, or if you wrap it the other way around, it'll tend to unravel. Okay, so try to keep all the joints down on the bottom if possible. And I've got some pre-cut black electrical tape. So I'm gonna start on the bottom, if I can. Then try to wrap around a few times just to end things nicely. Maybe I'll do one more wrap. So I did it tight the first 2 wraps, and then this last wrap I'm going to do a little bit loose just so it's not under too much stress. And try to keep that last joint, that last cut underneath as well so it looks nice. Okay, so that's it with the new Cane Creek hoods. They're not new, they're used from a bicycle shop. They're only 10 bucks though. You can get new ones on Amazon for like 40 or 50 bucks. But I'm just trying to keep it a little bit cheaper, and I think that looks a lot better already. In the next video, I'm going to try to do some brake lines and some new brakes. So if you want to see how that's done, check out that video, stay tuned, and check out the short. Anyways, thanks, have a good one, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.